Women in legal practices, in large firms, in small firms, at the bar. While more women have joined the legal profession in Australia in the last few decades, statewide studies have shown that rates of attrition are higher among female lawyers. The reasons for attrition among women lawyers throughout Australia have remained unknown until now.
In 2013, the Law Council of Australia undertook a national attrition and re-engagement study, NARS, investigating and analysing the drivers for attrition of women from the legal profession. The research objectives included
exploring the drivers of attrition, retention and re-engagement of women in the legal profession, and understanding how these may differ compared to male lawyers.
Exploring the experiences and motivators of different cohorts of women, considering practicing status, type of employment, stage of career and life stage.
Identifying factors that may assist in retaining or re-engaging women in private practice, the bar and the profession as a whole.
The NARS research was conducted by Urbis over a 10-month period and involved collecting quantitative and qualitative data from nearly 4,000 participants, representing close to 1 in 10 members of the legal profession. These are some of the report's key findings and recommendations.
Push and pull, what retains and what re-engages.
Exploring why women leave their jobs, and in some cases the profession altogether, is a fundamental question underlying the NARS report. The findings show that work culture, leadership and the quality of work are vital push and pull factors leading to workplace movements.
Over 1 in 3 women were considering moving to a new job within the next 5 years.
Private practice is seen to offer higher incomes and better career development opportunities. Private practice is also seen to offer a chance for different experiences and new challenges.
Working conditions, such as workplace culture and flexible working arrangements, play an important role in re-engagement.
Only 16% of women currently practicing indicated they would consider working at the bar.
Discrimination and harassment.
High levels of discrimination and harassment in the workplace were reported by both female and male legal professionals in the NARS report.
Encounters of bias range from the subtle to the overt.
1 in 2 women and more than 1 in 3 men reported having been bullied or intimidated in their current workplace.
Half of all women reported experiencing discrimination because of their gender.
1 in 4 women have experienced sexual harassment in their workplace.
Approximately 1 in 4 women have been discriminated against due to family or carer responsibilities.
50% of women working part-time reported discrimination due to family responsibilities, versus 19% of women working full-time with family responsibilities.
Balancing work and life.
While career progression and work-life balance are important for both men and women, the NARS findings suggest that close to 1/3 of women were dissatisfied with opportunities for promotion and advancement.
Poor work-life balance affects all practitioners. However, it is particularly difficult to achieve for women with family responsibilities.
Close to 1 in 3 females expressed dissatisfaction with accessibility to mentors to support their career development. The results also varied across the profession. For example, women in small firms were more satisfied than those of medium and large firms with the level of support in their organisation for work-life balance.
Opportunities for change.
Having identified the challenges for women in the legal profession, the NARS report also seeks to start the conversation on how to help re-engage female lawyers. Options proposed include
promoting flexible work practices and exploring alternative billing models.
Assisting lawyers to develop and foster relationships to support their career progression.
Monitoring, publicising and promoting discussion of profession-wide statistics and trends on gender equity.
Raising awareness of ways to successfully achieve gender equity.
The findings from the NARS research show that there is more work to be done to retain and re-engage lawyers.
As the national voice of the profession, the Law Council of Australia is committed to addressing these issues and supporting legal professional bodies, law firms and practices to drive the changes required, thus ensuring an inclusive and sustainable legal profession that is well placed to serve the needs of the community. A copy of the NARS Report is available on the Law Council website.